Oi mate. Oi mate. There's so many people who haven't got a life. This is a new era, new generation. People are too much concerned what's happening in somebody else's life. When I was that 20 years ago, it wasn't like this. Everyone out there, let me teach you something in life. And there's a lot of things I know, the hack of life. Everyone out there, they don't care whether you got 50 million rand in the bank, if you're nobody with no money in the bank. When you got love, happiness and joy, people are jealous. They want to kill you for it. That's how this is new. This is the last of our new generation. This generation following, whoever's going on this generation, the world's falling apart. Every day do your best. Live life like it's your last day. Do whatever it takes. Don't let somebody steal your love, happiness.